In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Klarna on Amazon. Using Klarna can be a great way to manage your payments by splitting them into 4 equal installments. If you're keen on understanding how to combine the ease of Amazon shopping with Klarna's flexible payment options, then you're in the right place. Let's dive in and see how you can get started with this simple process. First, head over to the Klarna website. Klarna offers an option to compare prices and allows you to pay in 4 manageable payments, making it an appealing choice for budgeting your purchases. Once you're on the website, you'll notice a navigation menu. You'll want to click on the Stores link. This section gives you access to a variety of retailers that partner with Klarna, and it's where we need to go for our next steps. Once inside the Stores section, look for the Store directory. Clicking here brings up a comprehensive list of all the stores partnered with Klarna. Scroll through this directory and you should see several well-known names. Our focus is to find Amazon, so keep an eye out for it as you browse. After locating Amazon in the list, click on it. This will take you to a dedicated page that explains how you can use Klarna to pay for your Amazon purchases. The information here is geared to help you understand the process thoroughly, and it's worth scrolling through to get a clear idea of what's required. Now, it's time to get practical. If you haven't already, you'll need to get the Klarna app. This app is essential as it acts as a central hub for searching, shopping, and managing your payments. It's available for most smartphones, and setting it up is quite straightforward. Once downloaded, open the app and you'll find a search feature prominently displayed. Use this search feature to look for Amazon. Once you've found Amazon, you can start shopping as you normally would. Browse through the myriad of options and add items to your cart as you see fit. Klarna seamlessly integrates with your shopping process, so there's no interruption or complicated steps involved. Finally, after selecting your desired purchases, you move on to the payment stage. Here, Klarna gives you the option to split your total into 4 equal payments. Select this method at checkout and you're all set. Klarna takes care of the rest by automatically scheduling your payments, leaving you simply to enjoy your new purchases without the immediate financial burden. And there you have it. A hassle-free way to use Klarna on Amazon. This system allows you to enjoy your shopping now and manage your finances over time, providing a convenient solution for many shoppers. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this guide has been helpful in bringing clarity to using Klarna for your Amazon purchases.